What's up everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to boost an Instagram post. Firstly, open the Instagram app on your phone, then go to your profile. Select the post you want to promote, then tap the Boost Post Now under the post. Instagram will ask, what do you want to achieve? The main options are more profile visits, more website visits, or more messages. Pick the one that matches your goal. Now you can choose who sees your boosted post, like automatic, custom, and location, age range, and interests. Now choose how much you want to spend, daily budget. Select how many days the promotion will run. Even a small budget can work if your content is strong. Now check all your settings like goal, audience, and budget, then tap Boost Post to start the promotion. Your post will now run as an ad. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more. What's up?